Hello, young artists. Today we're learning about symmetry while creating this beautiful butterfly drawing. Let's get started. I printed out some images of butterflies to use as a reference to look at. I'm going to fold one in half down the middle of the butterfly, so that way I can use it for better reference, since both sides are the same. So now with my white sheet of paper, I'm going to fold that in half like a card, and then I'm going to draw along that folded edge, starting with what I see on the folded sheet of the butterfly, the one wing. I'm really just going to roughly sketch out that outline edge, and then I can further add in drawing in those details of the edge. But right now I'm just focusing on the outside edge, making sure I have this shape right. After I do that, I can go ahead and cut it out while it's still folded up, so that way both sides will be equal. You really only want to cut along the outside edges of the wings. If you're going to cut into the wings to make two individual wings on each side, only cut in a little bit. Don't cut all the way down or it will just tear apart. So I'm going to go ahead and lay that flat. I can decide if I want to keep the side that I drew on with pencil or flip it over and use the other side for my artwork. Whatever side I decide to have as my back, I will write my name on it. So let's get started. Whatever we draw on one side, we'll want it to be the same on the other side. You can create your own butterfly designs or look directly at one of these for inspiration. So for me, it's easiest to start with the center, the body of the butterfly. Again, we want everything to be symmetrical, the same on each side. So then now I'm going to go ahead and start sketching out those blocks of color. I'm just doing the bottom wing for starters. Once I get everything drawn in how I want it, I'm going to go ahead, color in each side. I'm doing the same for the top, making sure both sides are symmetrical using line, shape, and color. So for both sides of this butterfly, the lines, like the veins in the wings, are about the same. The shapes and the different colors in the butterfly are the same on both sides. So they both have the same colors on both sides, and they both have the same type of patterns. And then now I have a big, beautiful butterfly work of art.